Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to pass any written examination. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Passing a written examination requires careful preparation, effective study strategies, and the right mindset. Here are some steps you can follow to increase your chances of success. Number 1. Understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the exam structure, types of questions, multiple choice, easy, short answer, etc. Time limits and scoring criteria. This will help you tailor your study approach accordingly. Number 2. Create a study schedule. Develop a realistic study schedule that allocates sufficient time for each subject or topic. Avoid cramming, as spaced repetition and consistent studying over time tend to yield better results. Number 3. Organize your materials. Gather all necessary study materials such as textbooks, notes, online resources, and practice papers. Keep them organized to make your study session efficient. Number 4. Break down the syllabus. Divide the syllabus or content into manageable chunks. Prioritize areas where you feel less confident and allocate more time for those topics. Number 5. Active learning techniques. Passive reading is not as effective as active learning. Summarize information in your own words, create flashcards, teach the materials to someone else, or engage in discussions about the topics. Number 6. Practice with past papers. Solving past exam papers or practice questions helps you understand the format, difficult level, and question patterns. It also enhances your time management skills. Number 7. Self-assessment. Regularly assess your understanding of the material by taking practice quizzes or tests. Analyze your mistakes to identify areas that need further review. Number 8. Seek clarification. If you're stuck on a concept, seek clarification from teachers, classmates, online forums, or study groups. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Number 9. Stay healthy. Adequate sleep, a balanced diet, and regular exercise contribute to improve cognitive function and focus, with a crucial during study and exam periods. Number 10. Mindfulness and stress management. Practice relaxation techniques such as depth breathing, meditation, or yoga to manage stress and anxiety. High stress levels can hinder your ability to absorb and recall information. Number 11. Avoid distractions. Find a quiet and comfortable study environment to minimize distractions. Turn off notifications on your devices during study sessions. Number 12. Time management during exam. During the exam, careful read instructions and allocate time based on the marks allotted to each question. If you get stuck on a question, move on and return to it later. Number 13. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset, believe in your presentation, and remind yourself of your achievements during the study period. Number 11. Review and revise. In the days leading up to the exam, review your notes and key concepts. Avoid studying new materials at the last minute. 15. Exam day preparation. Ensure you have all necessary materials such as pens, pencil, erasers, identification, and admission tickets. Arrive at the exam center well ahead of time. Remember that a success in any examination is not guaranteed solely by following these steps. Diligent preparation, consistent effort, and adaptability are key factors. Keep a realistic outlook and do your best. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on report and tips how to pass any written examination. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.